let's make the object memory diagram for this person class. So again, we have two classes. We have the class that calls the person class and the person class. So let's start here. So we have, first of all, we have person, and they're declared as, the variable name is thing1. So that means in the static memory, we're going to get something that's thing1. When we say new person, what that does is it links up our static memory with our dynamic memory, and it gives us a place that is person-sized. And a person-sized place needs a name and an age, and that comes from the instance variables. So because this is just new person, it's calling the default. And the default person is, of course, Gorski, who is 44. Okay. So then it says TextArea.append person1 toString. So the toString method says name is age years old. So name was Gorski in this case. And then it says is, and then age is 44 years old, which we're pretending fit on the screen. All right, next thing, line 3. Thing2. All right, so that means we have another variable that we've picked up in memory. So here it is, it's called thing2. And thing2 is a new person, so that means we're going to link up to this dynamic memory that is going to hold our person for us. It's going to be an age, and a name. So we've constructed it and linked it up like that. And this time we've called our, not our default constructor, but the other one. And so the name is going to be John von Neumann, or just von Neumann, sorry. And the age is going to be 94. Then we say thing2 to string. So that's going to be von Neumann. And then according to the thing it says is, and then age is 94 years old. Okay, so we've got line 4 done. Line 5, it says TextArea.append thing2 get age. So get age, not shockingly, is returning the age. So thing2's age is 94. So it would return 94 and print it out. Then it says to set thing2's name to be Turing. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to change that. So thing2's name is now Turing. This is on line 6. So on line 7 it says to go thing2 to string. So thing2's name is now Turing is 94 years old. Okay, so now I've put out Turing. Okay, so now we're at TextArea.append thing1 compared to thing2. And we're comparing them on the basis of the name. So thing1's name was Gorski, and thing2's name was Turing. And Gorski is less than Turing, so when we compare them, when they're less than, if the first thing is less than the second, it returns a -1. So a -1 gets printed on the screen. So then the next one, we're checking if thing2 or if thing1 equals thing2. And equals compares on the basis of name and age. And actually, neither of them match. So the names don't match and the ages don't match. So neither of them match. So in this case, it's like false, but like super false. And that would be how you would trace out this code.